Here is how to turn any photos or JPG into a PDF completely for free. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. It's great for scanning document or ID card with your phone. So let's do it. Go to this website, link in the description. Click JPG to PDF. Upload your images. You can add more than one. Reorder if needed. Now click convert to PDF. Voila! Download your PDF. That's it. In the next video, I'll teach you how to remove a password from locked PDF.